Well, turning now to the state of addiction, and the city of New Orleans is taking pharmaceutical companies to court. Mayor Latoya Cantrell announced that they have filed a lawsuit against the companies for their role in the national opioid crisis. WDSU reporter Tammy Eswick has more on how the city is tackling addiction.
New Orleans joining other cities taking pharmaceutical manufacturers and distributors to court.
We have limited resources to fight it because the pace of this epidemic has been so fast that our treatment and our funding really haven't been able to keep pace.
Thursday, the city of New Orleans announced they filed a lawsuit against companies peddling prescription drugs. Dr. Greg Caudill is a board-certified addiction psychiatrist. He's also the medical director at Townsend Addiction Treatment Centers. As you can tell from his title, he treats what he considers to be the core of the problem: addiction.
We've been focusing on the supply rather than demand side of things. We've been thinking about the drugs themselves and kind of demonizing them rather than focusing on why some people get addicted and some people don't. The best money's in focusing on what makes some people's brains different with respect to developing addiction when they're exposed to these things, whether that's pain pills from a physician or, alcohol at a party when they're a teenager.
The city of New Orleans says in 2017 they had 219 accidental drug-related deaths. They say that's a 4% jump from 2016 and an even bigger jump, 138% from 2015. The city short on cash to fight the opioid battle, but there are programs.
We have free classes at least weekly that teach anybody in the community how to use naloxone, which is the overdose antidote. We have a partnership where we're going to be embedding a peer support navigator in an emergency department, someone who has been through addiction and recovery, so that when a person comes in and they've overdosed, they can be right there to help get them to treatment.
Tammy Eswick, WDSU News.
And the city says the actual damage figures will come up during the discovery process. Right now, the city is requesting and compiling